What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? And here I'm putting these 203 millimeter rotors on my e-bikes. Doing the back of them is a little more difficult than doing the front, but I got the front done on both of them. But now I'm just having to do the back. And if you don't understand, I can show you the difference between the two. That's that one. Well, let me show you over here. This is the one for the other one. And that fits inside of where this one was. And this is I think that's a 160. And this is a 203. Let's see. Yeah, 203 millimeter. So we'll see how much better braking that is. And we'll get back to you. Another thing, man, I wish they would have made a way to just quick release this. I mean, you know, just have a little screw quick release, because the Bafang rear kit, which I can actually show you because I still got it on my first original bike. And you know, the thing I liked about these, they had that cassette in the back. And boy, you can get your big gear on there. But you know, there it is. This connection right here that you can just unscrew that and then take the back wheel off with no problem, without having to disconnect from the controller and everything else. So wish they had like a connector for that. That'd have been great, but oh well. Gotta do what you gotta do. All right, get back at you.